Hello students, welcome to Sharma classes. We are happy to announce you that from today we are going to start our English series in this channel. पहले तो हम लोग सारे poems को complete करेंगे, then we will move on to the chapters of Standard and NCERT. Let's start the explanation, students. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruled. सो स्टूडेंट्स रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि उनका मूड काफ़ी अपसेट था और वे एक पेड़ के पास से गुजर रहे थे। तभी इंस्टेंटली एक कौवे ने हेमलॉक ट्री पर आकर बैठा जिस पेड़ के नीचे से वो गुजर रहे थे। उसी पेड़ के ऊपर वो कौवे ने आकर बैठा और जैसे ही वो कौवे ने बैठा डस्ट ऑफ स्नो, हमारा डस्ट ऑफ स्नो क्या है? स्नो पार्टिकल्स। पे अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा डस्ट ऑफ स्नो क्या है? स्नो पार्टिकल्स, स्मॉल स्नो पार्टिकल्स। तो जैसे ही कौवा आकर बैठा हेमलॉक ट्री पर तो डस्ट ऑफ स्नो हमारे पोएट के ऊपर आकर गिरा जिससे उनका मूड टोटली चेंज हो गया। तो वही लास्ट लाइन बताना चाह रहा है, एंड सेव सम पार्ट ऑफ अ डे आई हैड रूल्ड। मूविंग ऑन टू द पोएटिक डिवाइसेस. The first one which we can see is shook down on me. Here we can see that there are repetitions of 4 O's, which means it is consonants. What does consonants mean, students? Consonants means repetition of vowels. Repetition of vowels. The next which we can see that is the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. After reading this, an image is formed in reader's mind. So it signifies imagery. What does it signify? Imagery. Third we can see that is has given my heart. Here the repetition of H is there. H is consonants. So which we can say that is it is alliteration. Repetitions of consonant is known as alliteration. Okay. Now we can see dust of snow. This dust of snow means metaphor, which means that particles of snow. Okay, it has been related. So dust of snow means particles of snow. Snow particles of snow. Let's quickly summarize the poem, students. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost summarizes how small unexpected moments in nature, that is a crow shaking snow from a hemlock tree onto the poet, instantly shifts his gloomy mood to one of hope and gratitude. तो पहले तो पोएट का मूड कैसा था? ग्लूमी मीन्स सैड, और जैसे ही क्रो के वजह से डस्ट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स उनके ऊपर गिरा तो उनका मूड किस चीज़ में चेंज हो गया? होप एंड ग्रैटिट्यूड. सो दिस इज द मेन कैच ऑफ द पोएम. हाउ स्मॉल एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड मूवमेंट्स कैन चेंज द इंटायर मूड ऑफ द पोएट. ओके, द पोएम हाईलाइट्स, पे अटेंशन, द पोएम हाईलाइट्स नेचर्स एबिलिटी टू हील एंड अपलिफ्ट. It's the most important thing. The poem highlights nature's ability to heal and uplift as even traditionally negative symbols. Remember students, इस poem में negative symbols हमारा कौन कौन सा है? That is the crow and the hemlock tree. Just see this image and try to configure it that the negative symbols of this poem are crow and hemlock tree. Okay, so the poem highlights nature's ability to heal and uplift, as even traditionally negative symbols like the crow and the poisonous hemlock tree became carriers of joy. Even if they are negative symbols, they played a significant role in becoming the carriers of joy, demonstrating that positive change and happiness can be found in insignificant and everyday events. Also students, we will see 1 mark questions as this will be very helpful for you. Let's have a quick revision. What changes the speaker's mood in the poem? Obviously a crow shaking snow from a hemlock tree onto the speaker. Okay, the second one that is name the tree mentioned in Dust of Snow. It is very important. Which tree is mentioned? That is the hemlock tree. What does rued mean in the context of the poem? Rued means to feel sorry about something. Means the person is feeling very regretting. The fourth one is identify one poetic devices used in the poem. We have symbolism, imagery, alliteration. The next I told, that is consonants. You can write any one of them. What does the crow symbolize in this poem? An unexpected agent of positive change, contrary to its traditional association with bad omens. Next question. How many lines does the poem contain? Obviously 8. What is the central theme of Dust of Snow? The central theme is how small movements in nature can transform our mood and perspective. The last question, that is, what literary device is used in Shook, Snow and Save? That is alliteration. I explained you in the above slides. That is, alliteration is the repetitions of consonants. Okay students, at last we will see the theme of the poem. That is, even a small thing can have a large impact and significance. I told you students that छोटी से छोटी चीज़ें can have a large impact, can impact largely into someone's life. So we have to be very particular about the things, about our nature, and feel very happy in every small bits of our life. Also students, I want to remind you that if you want to learn and know more about poetic devices, I'll share you the link in the description box. Please do check. Thank you.